Ever get that dreaded Walmart order cancellation email and wonder what went wrong? Let's decode those shopping snafus and get your orders back on track. First, check your payment method. Is the card expired? Or did you recently change banks without updating your Walmart account? Go to your account settings, find payment methods, and verify everything is current and the billing address matches your card statement precisely. Mismatching billing addresses are a major culprit. Even a small typo can trigger a cancellation. Ensure the address on your Walmart account matches your credit card statement verbatim. Next, inventory issues. Sometimes a popular item sells out quickly, even moments after you place your order. Unfortunately, Walmart has to cancel if they can't fulfill it. Address verification problems can also cause cancellations. Is your apartment number clearly stated? Does the address exist according to USPS? Double-check all address details. If you've checked everything and still don't know why, contact Walmart customer service immediately. They can often provide specific details about the cancellation and possibly reinstate your order if the problem is resolvable, or provide alternative solutions. By tackling these common issues hidden, you can minimize the chance of future cancellations and enjoy smooth Walmart shopping. Happy shopping!